Hey guys, did you like the lovely sweetheart project? Did you like that big fat mini album? Then there is a kit for you guys. So I'm gonna show you fast what there is inside. There's of course the flower set is inside. The ribbon set is inside. There is a lovely note, a welcome note inside. I did add the tyvek envelope in it, so you can do many projects with one big envelope. There is of course the silver inside. The clear sheet is inside. The bookbinder's linen, look at this beautiful color that is inside. 3 pieces of 2mm chipboard is inside, and then of course the 78 sheets of papers is inside, and then the bonus this time, yep, as promised, there is also the 3-in-1 corner punch inside for you guys. So that is all. Hope you like it. Oh no, of course. The big bag of all the embellishments, all the metal pieces, all the beads, the charms, everything is inside, so you can make the same beautiful big mini album. Everything is inside, guys. Check it out. Send me an email. Send me an email. The email is below every description box to be found under every video. So please send me an email if you like to have the lovely sweetheart project kit or just the papers. Just send me an email. There is, by the way, just to say, there is also a printable set, a printable paper set available for every collection that I have. So you also can use only the printable set if you want to get the papers. But also you can only get the papers. But who can resist this very full kit? Just send me an email, guys. Bye bye. I will see you.